my team and I embarked on a harrowing expedition to climb the summit of Mount Everest. As a team of 5 very diverse people from different backgrounds and with different experiences, the climb was filled with challenges. After hearing our successful expedition, National Geographic contacted us for their new mini-series, Teams in Times of Crisis. To begin, I'll summarize the climb itself. As the tallest mountain in the entire world, Mount Everest stands at 29,035 feet above sea level. A part of the Himalayan mountain chain, Mount Everest is located between Nepal and Tibet. The 5 of us all successfully made it from base camp to the summit in the 6 days we had available to us. We completed 67% of our team's goals as well. Although we did have some challenges, we were all able to make it with only one person having to be rescued.
What triumphs did the team experience? How are team processes integral to enabling these triumphs to occur?
We all made it to the summit. This is truly an incredible feat, considering the history of the mountain. Having existed longer than mankind itself, the first successful summit wasn't until 1953. Since then, only a few thousand have made it, and countless have failed. Overall, we accomplished 67% of our team goal. We were all willing to wait for each other to decide what to do next. Verbal communication was our way up the mountain. We all had our own specific goals and came together to come up with the best plan, a common purpose that benefited us all. Additionally, we were able to show reflexivity when we considered if we could move on or if we needed to stay somewhere for an extra day.
How were decisions made within the team? How does the process translate into a specific industry?
As a team, we were cross-functional. Each team had a different role and a different set of experiences to cooperatively make decisions. Each team member had specific tasks, but by coming together, we were able to decide the best decisions for the team as a team. Most similar to IT. In the IT department of any corporation, there are multiple roles that have come together to ensure that whatever task will be completed. There are managers that have the need for the task to be done. There are designers who are able to help put the desired task into an understandable and doable scenario. There are also writers and coders who help implement the designs that are needed for the company. There are testers who ensure that whatever was made runs properly and is able to be used. And lastly, there are people who actually use what was made for the task to be done, either consumers or employees.
What challenges did the team present? What key lessons were learned from the challenges, and how can these be applied within the workplace?
The challenges we had to face as a team were very slim. We had to communicate different goals and make decisions that affected everyone, which meant sacrificing others' needs for the good of the team. We also had to overcome diversity and develop team ethnicity, making sure we were all on the same page before moving on. Key lessons we learned included that it's good to be cautious and ensure that everyone is heard and understood. In the workplace, it is important to be cautious, listen to others' opinions, and making sure everyone has a part to play. A workplace team that can't learn from these experiences will not do well as a team.
Concisely stated, what was the biggest learning point for the team? Why is this important?
The biggest learning point was not to underestimate the ability to work as a team. A team that overestimates its ability can go off the path of the team's goals. We had a rather easy time completing the simulation because our team worked surprisingly well together. Even the challenges that were intended to be difficult were easy to overcome through communication.